Bonjour à tous, bienvenue à Utthanam. Hello everyone, welcome to Utthanam. My name is Nidhi and today I am presenting a very interesting video with you all. So our today's topic for this video is traveling and transport for French language learner as well as for a person who is going to travel France or French speaking countries. So, in this video, there are 15 to 16 words or sentences which is very helpful for those who are traveling to France or French speaking countries and those who are learning French. Okay, so let's start. So for this video our today's first word for this video is country. So how would we say country in France? It's pays. Okay, then our second word is state. So how we would say state in France or French is a tête. Please focus on the pronunciation because it is very important. Okay, a tête. Okay, so the next word is region. So how we can say region in French is région. It's région. Okay, then our fourth word is city. So how we can say city? It is ville. Okay, then our fifth word is street. So how we can say street in French? It's rue. Okay, then our sixth word for this video is let's go. So we can say let's go in French is allons-y. Okay, then for this video our next or seventh important sentence is I lost my luggage. Okay, so we can say this sentence in French is j'ai perdu mon bagage. Okay, then our next sentence is when did you arrive? Okay, so in casual form we can say quand es-tu arrivé? Okay, then in formal sense we can say quand étiez-vous arrivé? Okay, एक बार और प्रैक्टिस करते हैं हम इसे. In casual sense we can say quand es-tu arrivé? In formal sense we can say quand étiez-vous arrivé? Okay, then our next sentence is do you like French? So we can say aimes-tu la français? In casual form or in informal form we can say aimes-tu la français? Aimes-tu la France? Okay, then in formal sense we can say aimez-vous la France? We can read it once again. Okay, aime-tu la France? Then aimez-vous la France? Okay, so our next sentence is French is a very beautiful country. फ्रेंच, आई एम सॉरी, शायद यहाँ थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक है. हेयर फ्रांस. France is a very beautiful country. Okay, then we can say la France est un très beau pays. France est un très beau pays. France est un très beau pays. Okay, then our 11th sentence is I haven't been there yet. I haven't been there yet. Je ne suis jamais allé. Je ne suis jamais allé. This we use for a man. Suppose there is a man, he can use the sentence Je ne suis jamais allé. And if there is a woman, she can use Je ne suis jamais allé. Only there is one extra e added in the last allé word. Okay, and I know you can have this kind of question, why we are adding e and why we are not adding e in men sentence, or when man is speaking, why we are not using e or adding extra e. So in that case, if you have these kind of question, please watch my earlier video so you can get these answers. Okay, anyways, now start our next word. Our 12th word or sentence is how was your trip. How was your trip? Okay, so we can say comme était ton voyage. Comme était ton voyage. In casual sense or in informal sense, we can say comme était ton voyage. Comme était ton voyage. Okay, in formal sense we can say comme était votre voyage. Comme était votre voyage. Comme était votre voyage. Okay, then our next sentence is I want to go home. I want to go home. Okay, then we can say je vous rentre à la maison. Je vous rentrer à la maison. Je vous rentrer à la maison. Je vous rentrer à la maison. Okay, then our next sentence is a round trip ticket. Generally these kind of question we can ask from the counter when we required a ticket. So we can say, or we can ask a round trip ticket. A round trip ticket. So we can say a ticket aller retour. A ticket aller retour. A ticket aller retour. Okay, please focus on the pronunciation. A ticket aller retour. Okay, then our next sentence is a one-way ticket. A one-way ticket. Un aller simple. Un aller simple. Un aller simple. Okay, then our last sentence is a ticket to Brussels. A ticket to Brussels. A ticket to Brussels. So we can say un ticket pour Bruxelles. Un ticket pour Bruxelles. Un ticket pour Bruxelles. Okay, so these are the 16 words and sentences for this video, and these are basically very important and useful sentences, and of course these sentences are ready made. You just need to practice or learn these sentences, and you can efficiently speak these sentences while traveling. Okay, and if you are a French learner, then you can cover the traveling topic, so you can read, write and speak about traveling topic, and of course you are done with most of the traveling vocabulary. Okay, so if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment me. If you want more sentences for this topic or for any other topic, please comment on me. on comment box. And if you enjoy my video and want to learn with me, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Thank you for your attention. So just study and enjoy the French learning. Okay, merci, au revoir, à bientôt, bye bye.